Hi guys, I'm Sophie Lloyd, and this is a playthrough of the song Hill of the Skull by one of my favourite guitarists, Joe Satriani. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that playthrough of Hill of the Skull by Joe Satriani. If you would like to learn how to play that song, the tablature and notation are available in the Fretello app. Just click the link in the description below. I'll see you over there.